welcome to the mix. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia explains how, you know, Section 8 is and other things. She's saying that basically, people need to learn about these things and people would like to learn about them. So she's given the information, she's educating people on this. As people are out there and they're talking, so she's making sure that she's educating them and letting them know, man, this is how it goes and this is what the requirements are. So go ahead and go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies out there that's celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful one. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there and my supporters, have yourselves a wonderful day. And remember to keep that smile upon your face because you know what? You're the only one that can keep your smile. Don't let anyone get to you today. And remember to live good, walk good, and laugh hard. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
And not tell it. I am here to dissect and tell people the truth. So don't disturb me. Some people wants to hear. So they're not going to believe. There are people wants to know the truth. And the truth is you cannot live in Connecticut and come to New York City and apply for food stamp or any help with Connecticut ID. You must have New York City ID. If you get a Section 8 paper for New York, for Connecticut, you have to live in Connecticut 1 to 2 years before you can transfer to any other states. You cannot use it. It's two different states. Every state have a different laws. Connecticut is a constitutional state. They're better than New York City when it comes to certain programs. They take care of people. Connecticut is one of the richest states. It's even richer than New York City when it comes to certain things because they're a constitutional state. Their belief is different from certain things. That's why you find there's a lot of politicians lives up there, rich people, movie stars. It's different. Every state have a different laws. Don't follow these people. Me can't leave from Connecticut and come to New York City. Come here. Me not take address of people yard if you go take over people house with them conspiracy. Me not get mail here. Anything me have to get here if I want to shop with Amazon, that's not official mail and changing of address. What me I could change address for my house? What is una don't listen to these mad people. People call them as soon as they hear say one little Section 8 come to New York City, all of a sudden them come and talk about it. Me never know say me have whole of children. I me have all a tell lie. Say me go put Romy on Section 8. How me if I put Romy on Section 8 on something and Romy live in North Carolina with the mother. In order for me to put Romy on something, the mother don't have to turn over Romy name to me and give me a paper. Me would have to have sole custody of Romy to put Romy in the documentations. I am here to tell them the truth. When people talking, me want to tell you how stupid them is. Romy live down south with the mother. In order for me to put Romy on any documentation, I would have to them would have to sign over a court documentation and say them give me custody of Romy to be in those type of form and those type of things. What are stupid people them? You know so these people are very jealous. Now listen to them. It cannot work, people. You cannot come from Connecticut and use Connecticut paper. You cannot use Connecticut lease and come to New York City. Total different state, total different laws. You can't even transfer, if you have a gun license at Connecticut, you can't carry gun New York. Unless you get the one statewide. In order for me to get a gun license, I have to come to New York City to apply for gun license for New York City. I have two different licenses. Because you can't, so now follow these people. No baby, no grandpit, nobody can go up and no Section 8 paper with me if me not apply for Section 8. I will would have to have full custody of Romy. The mother would have to sign a documentation and that not happen. Because me love my grandpit and the mama love him. Nothing can work like that. Connecticut open up Section 8 too. Connecticut open up for them Section 8 few weeks back. So if me no apply for Section 8, me apply for Section 8 right there, Connecticut. And then if me get it, then in a year or two time, then me stay at Connecticut for a year and then me transfer to any state. Me want go. Then I who would I want if me get Section 8 and me live on Section 8 for 1 year, then I who would I want come to New York City. Me but better me go to Atlanta and go to Florida and go to one hot state where me can get like a warm sun. Then I who? Then I who would I want go in a cold state? If me dep on Section 8. Me would have gone somewhere where me can get brand new house. Nice house and big backyard and big space. Then who would have out of my mind forget Section 8 and me good I want to transfer and go. I would have gone to Carolina where my sister them there, Atlanta, Florida, where me can get backyard to plant up my little flowers them and my little tree them. And my little vegetables them. I have a big space. Then me never know some me an idiot. Me never know some me an idiot. Uno blogging people, go about the business, because uno delusional. Go talk to the people who live on their jobs. I me tell you already, a lot of Jamaicans live on their jobs and they do whatever they want to do. They stay on their jobs. What is your problem? Me get permission to stay here until when I go home. I want to go home and I leave when I leave. You have a problem with that? Come take me off of it. And if anybody else is here, them stay here. I stay here. I come out of the house and I go wherever I want to go. What is your problem? Two of us is here. I'm in my room. Me can't do what I have to do. Me go in on the road, go about business and come back. That not enough to do. This job is a nice job. When me leave, she can't come in my room, go sleep. But she right now, she's outside. She's lying down, sleeping right there. The man is right there, sitting down. What is the problem? He thinks, where you take this thing for? For our job. It's our job. We run things by yourself. We take care of him and him love us. The family love us and then trust us. And we take care of him very well. Right now up on the street, me go buy mango for carry go give him. Time me carry mango give him and he love mango. He say me must go buy 10 more for him. Not even 1. 10 him say he want. Stop worry about our job. It's both of us work and we take very good care of him. Whether camera is in your camera or not, he's well taken care of. And him love us. Him love both of us. And he's satisfied with us. Him not dumb. He can't talk for himself if he might get abused. Nobody can lick him. Nobody can do him nothing. Because he's a man the sweetest man in the world. We don't have to lick him. We take care of him very well. Because we want with job. Nobody not do him nothing. Nobody not idiot for nobody nothing because him not do nothing for him. We are not wicked people. We are good nursing people. We in our job for years and years without any form of any records. We take care of a patient. You have to wait until I make some soup for him weekend. Some nice beef soup. I'm going to make him. When I go on the road, I go buy up something and make it. You will see two of us sit down and drink with nice beef Jamaican soup. You soon see me and go to the door run up and down. What about that? That's how we take care of my client. You soon see me start blend up like a sitting game. So he can get stronger and stronger. So he can live longer. So we can stay upon this job and pay off all our bills them and buy all one brand new car. If it have to go so. Move from go about the business. We take care of our patient. What is your problem? Go look on life. God give this to me. I know who to give it to me. And so what if you want to come and New York City to come apply for Section 8? If they want to apply for Section 8. Isn't it for everybody? Is Section 8 a crime? You don't think so you have to pay rent and bills said way? Eh? Where you take this thing for? You think it's free? You have to pay a bill said way. You have to pay a rent said way. It goes according to your income. You have to make 84,000 to 54,000 per year to qualify for this Section 8 that open in New York City. 54 to 84,000. It goes according to the amount of bedroom you want. It goes according to your money, how much you're making. Be sure knows that this situation here is going to be is people who are homeless, in a sense, in a shelter, disability, and children will be getting that first before any single persons. Those are the criteria and the priorities. People that are in shelters who haven't gotten a place yet, disabilities, senior citizens, and people with children over anybody like me who is single. That is how it works. Single people are the last somebody will be getting it unless something is wrong with them. But when it comes to Section 8, they make sure they take care of people that are in shelters. So anybody that are in shelters and waiting, they definitely, and have children's, they're going to make sure they're the number one priorities to make sure that the children, them and those people are the one that didn't take care of first. People who are disability, if you look at the questions them that they ask, you will see disability, people that are in shelters, and disability and veterans. People like me on the bottomless list because me don't have nobody. Go on about the business, I left Marcia alone. I done talk. Me going on the street, people. Me have some little shipping for do. I'm going on the street to go do some little browsing. Me can go show you some nice curtain and some things. Remember, I have sheets selling 4 queen for $100. Me giving a little discount since I'm in the area. If me was in Connecticut, a different price. But since me not have to go, since I don't have to go 6 miles, me only have to go like half 40 minutes go get it. They cut it down. So me I giving off $25 per one for the queen, and me I giving a $30 for I giving off for the king. Because of 2 different money I have to pay for those sheets. I may have to buy box and tape and drive them, go lift them up and carry them, go ship them. Plus, I am paying for storage. So I have to pay monthly for storage because I take out a storage to bring the sheet them go there. Because I can't bring sheet come to the people in my house. I mean, I go keep them in my vehicle. Because my vehicle going to the shop very soon to get fixed and details. So everything have to come out. Everything have to come out because it's going to get fixed and it's going to get details. That means that everything have to come out. So I can't keep nothing in there when I drop off it. As soon as the guy fixed the bumper, I am taking it to get it a detail. Shampoo out and polished and everything. So I am paying for storage. Me go look, my girl been calling me. I'm going down there to look at it, to see the size of I want. So I have to pay for storage to keep the merchandise them. Easier for me. So when me now work, me just go down there, go pack the boxes them and ship off the boxes them. You understand? So come and get on a sheet. Now follow these people. Some of these people don't have no position for come give no news. Don't follow these idiot people. Listen to Marcia. Me live for 40 years. So if me live for 40 years, that means Marcia know it all. My 10. Don't let nobody from third world country come put bullshit now on the head. I met jealous and bad mind woman. Call them. I jealous because I get one nice private work and them want it and can't get it. It's them not that jealous of me. Then jealous of my life out the road and now it worse jealous me of a private work. And it even worse the way it is. Me can't go about my business and come back in anytime I want. That is that is what you call blessing. Some of them depend on some white people house and then can't even go to the door to get like a fresh air. Me can't run go mall, go spend 2 hours and come back because him can't stay by himself. So I jealous, I see them jealous and bad mind. Me pay them no mind. Oh, God bless, no man curse. Me live far, me live all the way to Connecticut. Them no expect say me must left and go up every night and come back down a morning time. That would be a take a toll on my truck and take a toll on my body. So God make sure say work it out where I can stay over if I want to. And me get full permission to stay. Who don't like it, come take me out here. Me get full permission to stay as long as I want. The son say you can never leave here like here. A matter of fact, when me leave at night time for go home, my man not even want me go. He make sure say him diggle daggle so if me stay with him. The first thing, when is Marcia coming back? When is Marcia coming back? You know why? Because I treat him good. Moving yourself from here so and go about the business. And leave me and my little client alone and my little job. Una bonfire for me every day. Try to burn my little business. No buying a sheet from her, no buying a sheet. Now me going back in my profession. Una fight from. Una can't take my profession from me. At this me go school for. Me have my license for it. I went to school for it. So what do you want to burn me up for? I went to school for. I went to school for. Me not understand, no? You understand? Me not understand, no? Me went to school for this. I've been in this business for 30 odd years. 30 odd years. So what is the problem? What is the problem? See me certificate here. See me certificate here. Me went to school, licensed by the New York City State of Education Program. See there? Allen School up. See there? Marcia Campbell. Right there. Me went to school 30 odd years. Me in this business. See me license here. See it right here. What it says. What it says. What it says. See me that one from my home care one. Where it says. What does it say? What does it say? What does it say right here? What does it say? What does it say? What does it say? What does it say right here? What does it say? Where it say? So wanna fight against me for? Wanna fighting against me for? See me two license here. Wanna fight against me for? So me working now in my field. This work hard to fill out. I have to fill out paper. I insurance appeals. See me two license here. One for home and one for the hospital. See them right there. See it there, right there. One for home and the hospital. What you fighting me for? No, I am in my field. See me license here where it says. So what is the problem? What is the problem? One for the hospital and one for the home. What